সম্মানিত ভিউয়ার্স, আমি ডক্টর রিমা আক্তার এফসিপিএস স্টাডি মেড ইজি পাওয়ার্ড বাই ডক্টরস ইন লাইভ ক্লাসে আপনাদের স্বাগত জানাচ্ছি। আমাদের এই স্টাডি ক্লাসের উদ্দেশ্য হলো এফসিপিএস পার্ট 2 এক্সামের বিষয়ভিত্তিক বইসমূহ লাইন বাই লাইন পড়ে শোনানো এবং কিওয়ার্ডসমূহ মনে রাখার জন্য বাংলায় বুঝিয়ে বলা। আশা করি এতে আপনাদের যে কোনো টপিক্সের বিস্তারিত মনে রাখাটা সহজ হবে, ফলে পরীক্ষায় আরও সাহস নিয়ে অংশগ্রহণ করতে পারবেন। চলুন আজকে শুরু করা যাক। হ্যালো, আসসালামু আলাইকুম। সো আজকে আমার ভিডিওটা শুরু করব প্যারাসাইটিক এবং প্রোটোজোয়াল ইনফেস্টেশন ইন প্রেগনেন্সি, যেটা দত্ত অবস্টেটিক্সের পেজ নাম্বার 344 পেজ থেকে শুরু হয়েছে। প্যারাসাইটিক অ্যান্ড প্রোটোজোয়াল ইনফেস্টেশন ইন প্রেগনেন্সি। আচ্ছা, এখানে কি বলছে? প্রথমেই প্যারাসাইটিক যেটা সবচেয়ে ইম্পর্টেন্ট সেটা হচ্ছে ম্যালেরিয়া. Malaria is predominantly a tropical disease. In India and other Southeast Asian countries, there is resurgence of malaria. The diagnosis is confirmed by detection of malarial parasite in peripheral thick blood smear. Pathology. The infected erythrocytes become rigid, irregular, and sticky. There is blockage of microcirculation due to the sequestrated red cells. The infected red cells are broken down. Hemolysis. Maternal HIV or tuberculosis causes intense parasitization of the placenta. The fetal effects are due to high fever or due to placental parasitization. The intervillous spaces become blocked with macrophages and parasites, and there is diminished placental blood flow. This is mostly seen with Plasmodium falciparum infection and in the second half of pregnancy. Congenital malaria is rare, less than 5%, unless the placenta is damaged. Effect of malaria on the mother, effect on malaria on the fetus. মাদারে কী কী এফেক্ট হতে পারে? অ্যানিমিয়া, যেটা মেগালোব্লাস্টিক অ্যানিমিয়া হবে ডিউ টু হেমোলাইসিস অ্যান্ড ফলিক অ্যাসিড ডেফিসিয়েন্সি. Number 2, thrombocytopenia. Number 3, hypoglycemia due to increased glucose consumption both by host and parasite. There is decreased hepatic gluconeogenesis and increased insulin secretion by the drugs quinine. Number 4, metabolic acidosis, pH less than 7.3. Jaundice due to hepatic dysfunction. Renal failure due to block of renal microcirculation. Pulmonary edema and respiratory distress. Convulsion and coma. Cerebral malaria hole. Circulatory collapse. Thrombocytopenia. Abnormal bleeding, DIC. Pregnancy complication. বাচ্চার উপরে কী কী এফেক্ট করবে? Pregnancy complication are increased miscarriage, preterm labor, prematurity, IUGR, congenital malaria, intrauterine fetal death. Effect of pregnancy on malaria. Risk and severity of infection are high due to immune compromised state. Complications are high. এখন ম্যানেজমেন্ট কীভাবে করব? ম্যানেজমেন্টের প্রথমে হচ্ছে প্রিভেনশন ফ্রম মসকিটো বাইট ইজ ডান ইউজুয়ালি permethrin and pyrethroids spray kill mosquito. Electronically heated mats will kill mosquito in the room. Chemoprophylaxis. Chloroquine is given unless proved resistant. It is taken 300 mg base weekly 2 weeks before travel and covering the period of exposure and 4 weeks after leaving the endemic zone. Mefloquine 5 mg per kg per week is the alternative drug in second and third trimester when chloroquine is found resistant. Treatment. Risk of malaria is life-threatening in pregnancy. So, benefits of treatment outweigh the potential risk of anti-malarial drugs. Chloroquine 600 mg base per oral followed by 300 mg 12 hours later, then 300 mg daily for next 2 days. To prevent relapse during pregnancy, 300 mg is to be taken weekly until delivery. For radical cure, Primaquine should be postponed until pregnancy is over. Parasite resistant is chloroquine. should be given quinine, 10 mg salt per kg per oral every 8 hours for 7 days under supervision. Patients with severe anemia may need blood transfusion. The anti-malarial drugs, when given in therapeutic doses, have got no effect on uterine contraction unless the uterus is irritable. Folic acid 10 mg should be given daily to prevent megaloblastic anemia. Complicated malaria. Astesunate IV 2.4 mg per kg at 0, 12, 24 hours. Then daily thereafter. Oral therapy 2 mg per kg is started when the patient is stable. Alternatively, quinine IV followed by oral therapy is given. Artesunate act very fast and resistant is rare. It is an effective as IV quinine. Use is limited in the second or third trimesters of pregnancy, only when other drugs are found resistant. Patient with severe malaria needs intensive care unit management. Supportive care is essential in cases of hyperpyrexia, pulmonary edema, renal failure or DIC. Multidisciplinary team approach is needed. আচ্ছা, তাহলে আমাদের এখানে ম্যালেরিয়া পড়া শেষ। তারপর হচ্ছে টক্সোপ্লাজমোসিস। টক্সোপ্লাজমোসিস is a protozoan infestation caused by Toxoplasma gondii. Infection is transmitted through encysted organism by eating infected raw or uncooked meat or through contact with infected cat feces. It can also be acquired across the placenta. The fetal risk of infection increases with duration of pregnancy is approximately 15%, 30% and 60% in the first, second and third trimesters respectively. The fetus is only at risk if the mother is seronegative. Risk of fetal damage decreases from 60% in first trimester to almost 0% at the end of pregnancy. There is increased rate of abortion, IUGR and stillbirth. During parasitemia, transplacental infection to the fetus occurs. The affected baby may develop hydrocephalus, chorioretinitis, cerebral calcification, microcephaly, seizures, and mental retardation. Presence of immunoglobulin M antibody in the neonates indicates congenital infection. Immunoglobulin G transmitted from the mother persists for many years. Maternal infection is mostly asymptomatic when she is immunocompetent. Acute infection is diagnosed by detecting immunoglobulin A specific antibody, high level of immunoglobulin G antibody titer, and detection of seroconversion for immunoglobulin G from negative to positive. Neonatal infection is common 40% when mother suffers with acute toxoplasmosis. Routine screening is usually not done. Chronic maternal toxoplasmosis is not considered to be a significant cause of recurrent abortion as parasitemia will not be repeated in subsequent pregnancies. If current infection is confirmed, the following tests are carried out. Number 1. Amniocentesis and chordosynthesis for detection of IgG-M antibody in the amniotic fluid and fetal blood. PCR for Toxoplasma gondii gene is also done. Number 2. Ultrasonography findings suggestive of fetal infection are ventriculomegaly, intracranial calcification, microcephaly, hepatosplenomegaly, ascites, and IUGR at 20 to 22 weeks. If the fetus is infected and hydrocephalus is present, counseling for termination is to be done. Treatment. Toxoplasmosis is a self-limiting illness in an immunocompetent adult and does not require any treatment. Pyrimethamine 25 mg orally daily and oral sulfadiazine 1 gram 4 times a day is effective. Leucovorin is added to minimize toxicity. 4 to 6 weeks course is usually given. Pyrimethamine is not given in the first trimester. Spiramycin 3 gram orally daily has also been used as an alternative. Acute toxoplasmosis during pregnancy is treated with Spiramycin. Extended courses may be needed in an immunocompromised patient to cure infection. Treatment to the mother reduces the risk of congenital infection and the late sequelae. কোন প্রিভেনশন পড়ি আনকুকড মিট unpasteurized milk and contact with stray cat or cat litter are to be avoided আচ্ছা তাহলে টক্সোপ্লাজমোসিস শেষ এখন লিস্টেরিওসিস পড়ব লিস্টেরিয়া monocytogenes LM is an intracellular gram-positive bacilli. It is readily found in soil and vegetation. It can grow, multiply in temperature as low of 0.5 degrees centigrade. Infection is caused by eating infected food or through contact with infected miscarried products of animals. Maternal symptoms are flu-like or food poisoning. There is no reliable serological test for it except the blood culture during specimen. Obstetric complications are late miscarriage, preterm labor and delivery and stillbirth. LM infections are causes meningitis, encephalitis, bacteremia, pneumonia, fever and gastroenteritis. Neonatal death due to septicemia is also high, 10% around. Overall perinatal mortality is 50%. Treatment কি দিব আমরা combined therapy with ampicillin, amoxicillin and gentamicin is preferred. Trimethoprim and sulfamethoxazole can also be used. Prevention of listeriosis during pregnancy according to FDA includes not to drink or take unpasteurized milk, soft cheese, refrigerated smoked seafood such as salmon, trout and cod. Intestinal worms hookworm যেটা and roundworm Ascaris lumbricoides আমরা জানি are the common intestinal infestation in the tropics and subtropics. The diagnosis is by stool examination. The treatment consists of eradicating the worms along with treatment of anemia by iron therapy. Deworming is not contraindicated during pregnancy, excluding the first trimester. আচ্ছা আমার ভিডিওটা আজকে এখানে শেষ করলাম পরের ভিডিওটা আমি পাইলোনেফ্রাইটিস থেকে শুরু করব আপনাদের যদি আমার ভিডিওটি ভালো থাকে অবশ্যই লাইক দিবেন এবং ফ্রেন্ডদের সাথে শেয়ার করবেন আশা করি সবাই যারা পরীক্ষার্থী তাদের অবশ্যই এই ভিডিওটা আপনাদের অনেক উপকারে আসবে আমার চ্যানেলটিকে সাবস্ক্রাইব করতে ভুলবেন না এবং আমার পরবর্তী ভিডিও দেখার জন্য বেল আইকনটি ক্লিক করে রাখুন তাহলে আমার পরবর্তী ভিডিও আসার সাথে সাথে নোটিফিকেশন অটোমেটিক আপনাদের মোবাইলে পৌঁছে যাবে